Welcome to another day in the life, Pinestraw edition. We got all the balers blowed off, greased up, fluids topped off, fuel, both load out tractors full of fuel. I was sitting here enjoying us a fine lunch because the chicken joint over here didn't have no chicken left. So we're sitting here waiting to get loaded. Then we're gonna haul a little load, go drop it off my little rented farm up there by my house. We're gonna go to the bank and get these boys' paycheck out for the week, and then we're gonna haul a little straw. So it's Friday about 5 o'clock finally. We still got this load of straw hooked to us. I ain't made it to make its delivery yet, but we're getting there. We got about another 30-minute ride and we'll be to where we're going, and we're gonna throw some of it off at a little landscape yard, and it'll be time to go home. So we'll see how it goes. Well, we got our delivery made. We're gonna sit here and let this thing drain the bank account full of diesel fuel. Still got a good bit of straw to unload, but there's somebody coming to pick all that up from my house. So anyway, hope y'all have a good weekend. Don't let the gas bill get you down too bad.